Hi friends, today we can see about state variable analysis. This part is from control system. Actually from this part they will be asking in 1 mark or 2 mark. This is one of the important part in the polytechnic syllabus. First of all, we can see about what is a state. State is nothing but a minimum set of variables such that the knowledge of these variables completely determines the behavior of the system. State is nothing but which completely determines the behavior of the system. Is nothing but the state. Okay, what is state variable? The variables involved in determining the state of a dynamic system x of t is called state variable. The variables involved in determining the state of a dynamic system x of t are called state variable. Okay, energy storing elements in the system. These are state variables are nothing but energy storing elements in the system. Okay, energy storing elements are said to be state variables. Okay, then state vector. State vector is nothing but a vector sum of all the state variables. That is, the state vector x of t is the vector sum of the all the state variables. Then what is state space? N state variables with time as the implicit variable is called state space. Actually, we should know the what is state equation and what is output equation. This equation is very much important in solving the problems. Okay, actually they give the format in the question and we need to take which is a and b, and then we need to apply that condition. That is x dot of t equal to ax of t plus b u of t. This is the state equation. Y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t is the output equation. Okay, in the state variable analysis, first of all, what is a state? State is nothing but completely determines the behavior of the system. Is nothing but the state variable is nothing but determining the state dynamic system. Determining the state of a dynamic system is nothing but the state variable. Okay, state vector is the vector sum of the all the state variables. State vector is nothing but a vector sum of the all the state variables. Okay, state space is nothing but n state variables with time as the implicit variable is nothing but a state space. Okay, then we can see about the advantage of a state variable. State variable can be applied to non-linear as well as time varying systems. For both non-linear and time varying systems, state variable can be applied, and it can be applied to MIMO systems, many input many output systems. That is, it can be applied to MIMO systems. Any type of input can be considered for designing the system. Okay, so in state variables, any type of input can be considered for determining the system. State variable can be adapted to the digital computers. Okay, the first advantage is that it can be applied to both non-linear as well as time varying system, and then it can apply to MIMO systems, many input many output, which is multiple input multiple output systems, and then for designing any type of system, and then for particularly for adapter for convenient adapter for digital computer. Okay, next we see about state transition matrix. We should note that the format for to determine the state transition matrix is d by dt of x dot of t is equal to a into x of t. D by dt of x dot of t is equal to a into x of t. Okay, then psi of t is equal to, then we can determine psi of t equal to inverse Laplace transform of si minus a the whole inverse. Okay, psi of t is nothing but Laplace inverse of si minus a the whole inverse. Okay, okay, you can see the first problem. Determine the state transition matrix of a model given by x1 x2 is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 x1 x2 plus 1 1 u1 u2 and y of t equal to 1 1 x1 x2. From this equation we need to first of all taken the data a b c. Okay, here a is 1 0 1 1, b is 1 1, and then c is 1 1. we know that the general formula for determining the state transition matrix, that is psi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus a the whole inverse. Okay, psi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus a the whole inverse. Okay, here Si minus a is equal to s is something s0 0 s, and I is identity matrix. Okay, and then a is nothing but 1011. Okay, Si minus a. Okay, which is nothing but s minus 1 0 minus 1 s minus 1. Then we need to find the Si minus a the whole inverse. But we know that A inverse formula is equal to 1 by modulus of A into adjoint A. Okay, modulus nothing but modulus of s minus 1 0 minus 1 s minus 1. In that s minus 1 the whole square, we need to take the modulus s minus 1 whole square minus 0, which is s minus 1 the whole square. Then the adjoint of s minus a. Okay, adjoint of s minus a nothing but, we know that how to determine adjoint nothing but s minus 1, adjoint of s minus 1 0 minus 1 and s minus 1. Adjoint of a, just we reverse the first row, reverse the and then change the sign. Okay, then s minus 1 0 1 s minus 1, we just reverse and change the sign. Okay, okay, then s minus a the whole inverse nothing but 1 by modulus of s minus a into adjoint of s minus a. Okay, the 1 by s minus 1 the whole square into s minus 1 0 1 s minus 1. From this we can return as 1 by s minus 1 0 1 by s minus 1 the whole square 1 by s minus 1. Okay, then psi of t equal to Laplace inverse of s minus a the whole inverse. Okay, then psi of t equal to e power t 0 t into e power t e power t. Okay, this is the required Laplace inverse transform. Okay, this is the required inverse Laplace transform. Okay, then we can see the next problem. Obtain the state transition matrix for the state model whose system matrix A is given by A is equal to 1101. We know that Si minus A, we know that the state transition matrix formula is I of t equal to Laplace inverse of S minus A the whole inverse. Okay, then Si minus A is nothing but identity matrix, which is s minus 1 minus 1 0 s minus 1. Okay, then we determine adjoint of s minus a. Si minus a is equal to, adjoint is nothing but s minus 1 0 1 s minus 1 whole transpose. Okay, and then s minus 1 1 0 s minus 1. Then modulus of s minus 1 the whole square, modulus of si minus a is equal to s minus 1 the whole square. Okay, then si minus a the whole inverse is equal to adjoint of si minus a by si minus a. Then we just put the determinant applied. We already find out the si minus a and the adjoint of si minus a. We just putting in this format. Then we obtained 1 by s minus 1 1 by s minus 1 the whole square 0 s minus 1, which is psi of s. Okay, then we need to determine the Laplace transform of si minus a the whole inverse is equal to e power t t e power t 0 e power t. Okay, this is the method to determine the state transition matrix. Okay, they will be asking either 1 mark or 2 mark. This is the important format and also easy method. Okay, we need to take a look of it. Okay, we can see the controllability and observability problems in next video. Thank you.